Okay, we're going to show you how to get a oil canning effect out of, in this case, a firewall, smooth firewall. So what you see here is I've outlined where the oil canning effect is occurring. The large circle and magic marker is what I have identified as being the center of that oil canning effect. So here's the oil canning effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this. What occurs and makes this happen is the metal is stretched, expanded, probably through the welding process. So we're going to fix it by shrinking it. And here's an easy way to shrink it and get rid of this. So if you didn't get rid of that, if the body flexes, you're going to hear this going down the road, pulling into a driveway, possibly. So we're going to fix this. So you find the center of the oil canning, and this is what you do next. What I like to do is I grab my body hammer, one with the point, but you just want to hit that center and indent it. Here we go. There you go. That's all you got to do. Now what you want to do is what I like to use, a acetylene torch. I'm going to heat that area up right there, cherry red, and then I'm going to quench it cold water. So here we go. You want to get it nice and red. You're going to see the metal bow out. Sometimes you don't have to go red, but we're going to go this route. I'm going to fixate. There we go. See it getting red? Here's what we're going to do. It's nice and red. We're just going to quench it. I'm going to hit it one more time. Let it cool off. What it did is it tightened this whole area up here really tight. It shrunk the metal. Shrunk the metal because we indented it and we heated it up and then cooled it off, and so the metal shrunk into that indentation, which is the point of that hammer I hit it with. So let's see what we got. Oil cannon effect. Nothing. And there you have it. Finished out, ready for body work. Actually primer, body work, but there's no oil canning whatsoever. All right.